Don't confuse luck with return on luck. Everyone gets luck, but the 10x winners, the great winners, the great companies, they make more of the luck they get. It is their ability to get a higher return on luck in those pivotal moments that distinguishes, that separates them from everyone else. See, there are 4 possible return on luck scenarios. You get a great return on good luck events, you get a poor return on good luck events, so you get a great return on bad luck, or you get poor return on bad luck. The 10x companies were able to use those luck events to their advantage. The comparison companies didn't fail because they had fewer good luck events. They failed because they were not able to execute and continue to build on what they had been working on. So the answer really is, it's resilience, not luck. That is the signature of greatness. Resilience, not luck. Luck will come and go. Almost every business will have the same amount of luck available to them as any other business. But some businesses will be able to leverage that luck, whether it's good luck or bad luck, to their advantage. And the key there is resilience. Resilience is the signature of greatness, not luck. The critical question is not whether you are lucky. The critical question is, are you lucky? The critical question is not if you are lucky, but it is, do you get a high return on luck? Because luck comes your way. Are you able to convert that luck into a great return for yourself? As Nietzsche, the great philosopher, he said, what does not kill me makes me stronger. So we will all encounter bad luck. The question is, how do you use that bad luck to make you stronger, to turn it into one of the best things that happened to you, and to not let it become a psychological prison? And that's exactly what 10x companies are able to do, especially if you look at the current scenario with everything that's going on with the viral outbreak and all those things. The question is, how many companies are able to use this event to build greater businesses, while a lot of companies are going to fold in the same pandemic. And this is repeated throughout history. As a result of major downturns, major setbacks, major challenges, some businesses take off while other businesses fall. It's not because there was a specific luck event, or it wasn't because they got lucky. It was because how they were able to use that to their advantage. You see, 10x companies, on the one hand, they credit good luck for luck playing a role in their achievement, but they don't blame bad luck for failures. They never blame bad luck for all the challenges. They keep chugging along. They keep trying to make it work.